Namaskar. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Aisha Tripathi. I read in class 9, Kendrapada Public School. As you know, coronavirus has become a very dangerous in this time. So, I am here to tell about this. The coronavirus disease 2019 is an infectious disease caused by very severe acute respiratory syndrome. So, it is first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan city of China and spreads globally as ongoing pandemic. So as of 10 May 2020, more than 3.93 million people are reported in more than 187 countries and territories, resulting 275,000 people died and more than 1.31 million people have been recovered. Some common symptoms of this virus is like fever, cough, and shortness of breath and loss of smell. And this virus is primarily spread people during the close contact and coughing, sneezing, or talking. It's spread by these things, and people may be infected by touching the contaminated surface and then touching their face. It is a very dangerous virus come into our world. So in India now there was 59,682 confirmed cases, and from these 17,847 have been recovered, and now active cases are 41,815, and the death toll, India's death toll rises up to 1981. It is very dangerous for our country and for the world also. Then worldwide 3.93 million people have been confirmed cases are there, and they recovered 1.31 million people, and death toll is 275,000 people. It is very severe case. Now the government have declared 3 zones: red zone, orange zone, and green zone. Then red in Odisha, Bhadrak, Jajpur, and Baleswar are in red zone, and Khordha, Kendrapada, Sundargarh, Dhenkanal, and Koraput are in orange zone, and other zone are in green zone, and they are safe also. And government of India had declared some hotspot areas. Hotspot areas mean, what are hotspot areas? Hotspot areas are those areas which are reported a comparatively higher number of confirmed coronavirus cases, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे कोरोना केसेस हो रहे हैं. उन हॉटस्पॉट एरिया पर अगर एक लोग को कोरोना हो गया तो वो किसी का फैमिली मेम्बर न होने से भी कम्युनिटी ट्रांसमिशन से हर किसी लोग को भी वो हो सकता है. लेकिन जैसे कि इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन अगर किसी सरफेस को छूता है तो और कोई भी उस सरफेस को छूने से उसे हो सकता है. इसीलिए उस जगह को गवर्नमेंट ने पूरा सील्ड ऑफ कर दिया है, पूरा उसे सील कर दिया है. टू प्रिवेंट दोज थिंग्स, गवर्नमेंट हैव सील्ड दोज एरियाज एंड स्टॉप पीपल टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ देयर हाउस. इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड डिसीजन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. और वो हॉटस्पॉट एरियाज इंडिया में है. दिल्ली, कुछ डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, दिल्ली, मुंबई, पुणे एंड मेनी अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स को हॉटस्पॉट कर दिया गया है. और वैक्सीन, इज देयर एनी वैक्सीन हैव मेड फॉर टू क्योर और प्रिवेंट COVID-19? No. Still there is no vaccine. While some drug trials are ongoing, but currently there is no proof that hydroxychloroquine can cure or prevent COVID-19. The misuse of hydroxychloroquine can be very serious. So WHO have some efforts to make a vaccine and cure the COVID-19 disease. WHO is coordinating effort to develop a vaccine to cure COVID-19, but still there is no vaccine. The coronavirus has spread over the world, but still there is no vaccine to protect our body from that coronavirus. So we have to take some steps, some precautions to stop the slow transmission of COVID-19. We have to wash our hands regularly with soap and water, or clean with them alcohol hand rub. Our hand touches many surfaces like door handles and taps, numerous surfaces, and by this way coronavirus can be picked up easily. So we have to be aware of this and avoid touching our nose, mouth and eyes. We have to be aware of this. And another most important thing, maintain at least 1 meter distance from between you and people while coughing, sneezing or talking. And then stay at home if you feel unwell, and cover your mouth while sneezing, coughing or sneezing and coughing with a tissue, and then throw the tissue in the dustbin. If you have no tissue, you can use your elbow, not your hand, use your elbow. Then don't smoke. Smoking weaken the lungs, so please don't smoke. And another thing is practice physical distancing, and avoid unnecessary travels. By this way we can stop the transmission of coronavirus, and maintain social distancing also. And another thing I want to say that some students are, during this lockdown, some students are wasting their time by playing bad games like PUBG, Free Fire, TikTok, etc. Please don't play those games. You have to do many work, like you can grow plants, some health benefits plant like tulsi, neem, aloe vera and many other trees also. And you can paint also, some paintings you can paint. And you can, online classes are been held. Some students are not attending those classes, so please attend online classes. And read new books, practice yoga. Yoga raises your immunity, so yoga makes you relax, so first practice yoga. And learn a new language from app or website. This is a very good thing for some students. I am also doing this during this lockdown. I am also doing that works. And spend some time with your family, it's a very good thing. And one thing I want to say, that an app is provided by the government of India, that is Arogya Setu app. You download it. Arogya Setu app is an important step in your fight against COVID-19. So please download Arogya Setu app and it will alert you. अगर आपके पास कोई कोरोना संक्रमण का व्यक्ति हो तो वो आपको अलर्ट कर देगा, और अगर नहीं हो वो आपको कर देगा कि आप सेफ हो। इस ऐप को डाउनलोड करें, छोटा फ़ोन हो या बड़ा फ़ोन, हर फ़ोन में आरोग्य सेतु ऐप होना चाहिए। और एक बात लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, कि आपको हमें जो टीवी में रामायण और महाभारत दे रहा है उसे देखना चाहिए, उससे बहुत नॉलेज मिलता है। और एक बात, स्टे होम स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम स्टे हेल्दी एंड स्टे होम सेव लाइफ्स। आई एम स्टेइंग होम एंड सेविंग लाइफ, यू ऑल्सो स्टे होम एंड सेव लाइफ्स। वी कैन एंड वी विल fight against corona. Thank you.